you don't have to bother to answer this if you don't want to, but I mean, you've obviously known with Diana one extraordinary peak of romance and love. Do you expect there to be others as intense?
Well, I don't think it would be fair to compare any one relationship to another, and I hope I don't, because that's not fair to myself or the person that I would be involved with. I don't think. I do hope to feel an intensity of some sort, and a love for someone on maybe a different level. You know, that was one relationship that happened to fill many of my needs, and I hope again that a relationship could again fill a lot of those needs. You know, that doesn't happen maybe very often in anyone's life. So I mean, the idea that it's happened once already in my life is pretty good, I think. Now, if it could happen again, that would be lovely. But I'm not really going to competition with myself.
Because you made one quote, which was, assuming you were quoted accurately, which was a terrific, poetic quote. You said once, she had every colour I ever imagined in a person, which was an incredibly poetic phrase. Is that an accurate quote?
Yes, it is. She did, actually. I mean, just an enormous amount of depth and colour and well, you know, it was like poetry almost in many ways, I thought.
Every colour is terrific. And yet you said in another quote, you said until then you'd thought that you might never have a successful relationship with anyone.
Yes, it's true, because it had not really happened up until then. But yet again, that could be with anyone at any age. You know, I mean, I happen to have been a very young man to make that statement, but it was sort of an honest one. And then this relationship came along and became a sort of, you know, when least expected. It sort of just fulfilled me.
Did you feel the fates were cruel in a way when she was taken from you?
Yes.